gente, ¿todo bien, gente? Mano gan juego nuevo, mano jugalo. Mano jugar un juego de Movitoya. Ya legué, gente, ya legué. Ya legué, gente, ya legué. Capítulo 1. Este es el capítulo 1, gente. Ok, esta es la historia, gente, de capítulo 1. Ok, este es el capítulo 1 de una historia.
Today again if you missed it. Record for the day. Hottest ever in June. 103 now, and that humidity looks low, but remember, the hotter the air is, the more moisture it can hold. So 103 with 31% humidity is a lot more humid than, say, 73 with 31% humidity. And it is muggy out there.
Ok, ahí estoy yo, gente. Nosotros somos protagonistas. Empezamos. Ya empecé así. ¿Ves que animali? O que animal. No sé, gente, se llama así. El juego se llama así, gente. Aquí estoy yo. De un fumando. Ok. Ahí estamos nosotros.
Mr. Toad? Oh, shit. Bigby! Listen,
Ahí
mate,
está la
I know
Naque.
I don't look human.
Gente,
It's a problem,
¿esta
I get
lana
it.
qué?
I'm just
¿Trabaja
stuck down the
o
apartment
es
for
un
just a
humano
second to see what kind
lana?
of damage this
¿O
truck
es
shit is
un
doing.
humano lanita?
Just cut me a break, yeah? I'll get me glamour first thing in the morning.
Es una
Cross my arm.
lana.
No need to kick up a fuss. I'm looking at a 3-foot toad in a sweater. That's a problem.
¿A lana vive aquí o esa lana vive ahí? Esa lana vive acá, gente. O es una lana de... como... Es una lanita haciendo...
Get a glamour. Bigby, they're bleeding me dry, mate. The quality of the spout goes down, but the rates keep climbing up. Do you have any idea how much it costs to have an entire family in glamour? It's not my problem. You're the one risking your entire family getting shipped off.
Estoy fumando
It's
ahora.
completely irresponsible,
Algo misterioso.
Bigby, please. That's a low blow, mate. All this will be taken care of as soon as the witches are available to cast the spell. Whatever it costs, it's worth it. You don't want me catching you out of glamour again. Fucking hell! See? This is what I told you about, Sheriff. You're just gonna stand there? Do something, Bigby, before he completely tears up the place. What exactly do you want me to do? I want you to throw the fucking woodsman out of here, drunk shit. He's been going on like that for hours. Turn this place to dust if you let him. He's in a fucking rage. This is the last straw, Bigby. He has to go. You're the landlord, Toad. This is something you should be doing. Oh, yeah, that'll be a fair fight. You're the sheriff, Big B, and the man's clearly disturbing the peace. Or whatever a Monday cop would call it. Wait, you're not worried about his acts, are you? I know you two have history, but I'm not worried. Right, of course. Fuck you! I didn't know anyone else was up there.
Ahora estoy subiendo. Ahora dice chao.
Pricked up shite. Tell me how to spend my money.
Dad, the lights are shaking again.
What did I say? You
Esa
want a big
rana
bad
que
wolf to
tiene
take you
hijos.
away?
Esa rana tiene hijos.
Then get the fuck back inside.
Esa rana tiene hijos.
You're gonna know who I fucking am, you hear me? Hey, look at me.
Just stop, okay? You're drunk. Let go.
Take a look. Take a
¿Qué es
good
esto?
look. Know who I am now? Hey, look at me.
Get off of me.
Mala. Mala.
God damn you. Know who I am?
¿Cómo?
Hey!
Ey, violento. Respeta mujeres. Respeta mujeres.
I'll fucking kill you.
All right, what's going on?
Este man va a pelear.
What are you gonna fucking do, huh? Get the fuck out of the way before you get the axe again.
Woody, I'm gonna break your fucking face.
Is that a fact?
Yeah, that's a fact.
You got a shit fucking memory, Wolf. That's not how it went last time.
This isn't last time.
Me pegaste un puño, no vi. Quítate. Quítate, man. Toma, boludo. Toma.
Back off, asshole.
Ole. Toma, te pegas dos piernas. Toma, boludo. Aquí está tu abajo. ¿Al cuchillito? Igual. Te esquivo lico. Ven, ántate. ¿A dónde vamos? Al sofá. ¡Pum! ¿Y vas a coger quién? Un hacha. Genial, va a coger un hacha. Toma. ¿Quieres que te mate? Este man.
You should probably get out of here.
Look, I'm not leaving until I get what's mine.
You're not getting shit, bitch. I'll fucking put you on the ground.
Shut up.
Oh, fucking shit. You bugged my jaw.
Así te joda la boca.
And still you talk.
Fuck you.
Shit.
What the hell is going on? What happened?
A little misunderstanding that turned into a real shit show. Don't worry, you saw the best bits.
There's more where that came from, girlie.
Knock it off. Are you all right?
I'm hunky-dory. Thanks for asking.
Seriously, I need to know if you're okay.
He asked me if I recognized him, knew who he was. I said I didn't. He started beating on me. Then you showed up, started beating on him. That about cover it, hun?
I'm the woodsman, you whore. I saved Little Red Riding Hood from this monster. I cut this fucker open and filled his belly full of stones and threw him in the fucking river. That's who the fuck I am, you stupid bitch.
Hey, what did I say about that word?
Come on.
¡Hala! Empezamos a tirarnos en el... Me caí en el taxi.
Shit.
Das tema se mató.
Hey, Toad. My car. Yeah. Give me a second. Oh, no, by all means. Take your time. So, how good is your insurance? I can't be mad at you. I called you, and you come to help. I can't be mad. But even when you help, things end up more fucked than they started. Well, at least you're not fucking dead.
Hasta este man. Bueno. Gracias. Hasta bueno, me cogió. Perdón, gente, para decir eso. Perdón, para decir eso. Perdón, para decir eso.
You can't be doing that.
I'm just getting what he owes me. You all right back there? I mean, your eyes and the teeth. You're not really supposed to do that, are you?
Not if I can avoid it.
Ah, monedita tiene.
Great.
The guy's got an axe in his brain. He's not feeling that.
It's more from me. He'll be
Sí.
fine.
I'll kill you, you
Ah,
fucking
este no
bitch.
está vivo.
Let me help you.
He's had enough.
He's a fable. Son of a bitch can take plenty.
Muerto, te cogí un hacha. No quité esa hacha.
Shit. Just come on.
El mechero no sirve.
Here.
El mechero sirve.
Thanks.
Who do you work for, really?
These lips are sealed. Sorry. Hey, you like my ribbon?
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Ahora ella está
I feel like
fumando.
we've met before.
We probably have. We all sort of knew each other
Yo
at
también
one
me
point or
ayudó.
another. But things change, I guess.
I guess.
Ah, este man ya se fue. No matamos. Siempre este man ya se fue.
Stop. We don't have to make any more of a thing out of it than it already is.
It's not just about you. I can't have him running around the city in the state he's in.
Good, because I was just starting to worry it was all about me.
That's not what I mean.
Oye.
How much was it he owed you?
100.
I'm guessing it'd be bad for you to show up empty-handed.
I'll be fine.
¿Sí o no?
Let's see, I've got,
me saqué el dinero.
58.
Toma.
That's all I got. It'll help, right? Take it.
It's okay. I'll be fine. You've done enough, really.
Just take the money, okay?
Toma,
You
el
got
dinero.
me out of a bad situation
Toma el
back
dinero,
there.
amiga.
Thanks.
I'm still gonna need a statement.
I have to go drop off what I have.
Meet me back at my office then.
It's a little late for an office visit, Sheriff. I'll swing by your apartment.
How do you know where
You live in the smallest apartment in the Woodlands. Everyone knows that.
Good to know.
You should get cleaned up. You look like shit. And I don't use that term lightly. Some of these look pretty bad.
I clean up okay.
I'll believe it when I
Gracias.
see it.
Uy, gente. Bueno, sí peleé.
Hey.
El man ya se escapó.
I need to tell you something.
Hay dinero.
What
Por
is
favor,
it?
gente, por favor, dale like y una
You're
campanita.
not as
Dale
bad
like,
as everyone says
dale
you
like y
are.
una campanita, por favor. Y y mándame comentarios
I'll see you
donde
around.
cometen. Está. Bueno, ya se va a irme. Cogiendo una cigarro y yo fumando. Así empezó. Así ya empezó. Si tienen como esta canción está copyright, díganlo para cortar el video. Así que yo me voy. Capítulo 1.
Luxury apartments. Wish they wouldn't advertise that.
Así. Así de bolsillo para mano.
Don't make me come over there. Look, I've got an hour of paperwork ahead of me, and I've already had to deal with one asshole tonight, so just...
Sorry, Bigby. Didn't mean to be an asshole.
Beauty.
Hello, Bigby. I wasn't expecting
Es un
anyone.
detective.
I know this looks a little odd.
So, where are you off to?
Well, I went for a walk. I don't see what's wrong with that.
Didn't say there was.
It's not a big deal. Just,
Uy,
out
gente.
for a walk.
Uy, gente.
That's all. Damn
Ahora
it, I'm late.
va a ser detective.
Please, Bigby. Promise me you won't tell Beast you saw me. He worries too much as it is, and...
Look, whatever it is, it's between you and Beast. I'm staying out of it.
I don't have time to go into it right now. I'll explain it all to you later.
Ok.
I will, but I have to go.
Ok, ya se fue.
It's not what you might be thinking.
Bueno, ya entré.
Flycatcher needs to dust this guy. Been a while since I got any mail. Seventh day in a row. Hey, you wink? Probably for the best.
Toco de irme.
Damn thing fell off again. How much longer is this gonna go on? You'd think the sheriff would get a permanent listing. You'd think the sheriff would get a permanent listing.
Ok. Yo voy a irme en mi ascensor.
Bigby, hey, wait up. Have you seen my wife? Have you seen Beauty?
Nope, haven't seen her.
Oh, okay. Sorry to bother you. Damn it. Something's going on.
Ok, llegué a mi cuarto. Ok, ya llegamos. Me toca tú.
Damn, should have cracked a window. What a night.
Allá abajo.
Why do I even own this? Should have got a smaller one.
Todavía. No hay nada. Todo está
Damn
lleno.
it.
No, no hay nada.
Don't even remember ordering that.
Es China.
Probably a bad sign.
Es China.
Bluebeard's file. Never trusted this guy. At least this still works. Should help.
Ah. ¿Qué onca? Un cerdito.
Not again.
El sueldo.
Oh, hey, Big B.
¿Qué
I'm
es
in your
esto?
chair,
¿Qué es esto?
huh?
Un cerdo. Un cerdo que habla. ¿Esto qué es? Wikipedia.
I'm tired, Colin. It's been a long day.
Al lado mis males hablan. ¿Qué?
Got a smoke?
Ya, cigarrillo. Gente, es que el cerdo fuma. Es que el cerdito fuma. Es que el cerdo
Thanks.
fuma. Qué
Couple
asco.
thousand more of these, we'll
Un
be even on
cerdo.
that house you owe
Gente,
me.
voy a decir algo.
This has
Voy a
gotta
decir
stop.
algo. Un
You
cerdo.
can't keep sneaking
Un
off the
cerdo
farm
humano
like
que
this.
hablando a un
The
animal.
fresh air and sunshine pitch they
El
sell you
cerdo
on
que
is
habla con un
bullshit.
humano,
I didn't
gente.
escape out of the
Un
homeland
cerdo
to end
no
up in some
habla.
prison,
Un
okay?
cerdo no habla.
Don't send me back there, Big B. You don't know what it's like, okay? You haven't been there.
Don't be a pain in the ass. I'll tell you what I told Toad.
Ve, gente,
what's
ahora el
that?
cerdo
You're putting
habla
all
con
of
un
Fabletown at
humano.
risk.
Fuma.
Lectured by the big
Hace
bad
un cerdo
wolf. He
fumando.
must have loved that. That for me?
Nope.
The house didn't blow itself down, Bigby. That's all I'm
Ese
saying.
cerdo
Do with that what you
fuma
will.
así.
Now, I'm not saying it's
¿Y qué
reason
está
enough for me to have
fumando?
definitely been offered a drink,
No, me
but
decepciona, gente.
it would
El
have
cerdo
helped
no puede
ease some
fumar.
of the pain you once caused me, yes. It also would have shown everyone how different you are now.
If that was all you were saying, I'd be able to get some rest.
I take it all back. This is why everyone hates you.
It is better to be feared than loved. You know who said that?
Yeah, some sad asshole. Eating alone.
El cerdo habla.
But, no. Hate's the wrong word. They fear you more than anything. You ate a lot of people back in your day.
I thought we were all supposed to have a fresh start here. I can't change the past.
Well, you can't change people's
Es
memories
un
either.
cerdo humano. O hizo
Look,
mutas,
I'm not saying it's fair, but it's real.
mutaciones.
People are scared of you.
I mean, look at your hands. Who'd you get in a fight with? A fable, right? I'm sure you're not going around punching Mondays.
I don't need advice from a pig right now.
Don't shoot the messenger. Or eat the
Ahora ese
messenger.
cerdo habla.
Whatever it is you do.
No, gente. Gente, voy a decir algo. Ese cerdo no habla.
You think my job is easy? You try keeping a bunch of fables from killing each other.
Ahora que ve
How do you
tele.
think this all works?
I don't know. How?
By being big and being bad.
By being big and being bad. Don't say that shit in front of people. It's embarrassing. That's the attitude that gets you in trouble. I'm sure you were shitty to everyone you came across tonight.
Not everyone.
Name one.
I don't actually know her name.
Awesome. Great example. Life is easier with friends, Bigby. And we live a long fucking time. I know you like this whole lone wolf thing you got going for yourself. But I've seen the way you look at Snow, okay? You're not fooling me.
Will you shut up?
Well, maybe if my throat wasn't so parched, I wouldn't have to keep talking.
El cerdo habla.
Wait, that doesn't make
Just
sense.
give me a drink,
Y
please.
decía dos
Colin,
decisiones.
enough
¿Abría
already.
puerta o...?
I haven't slept in 2 days. I went out
O
a second
pateaba
story
puerta.
window and I want to get in 2 seconds of shut-eye before I... Look, if I give you this, will you let me sleep?
Yeah, all right. Probably. Nice. You're fucking with me. Hilarious.
Este cerdo...
I hate you.
Bueno, gente, hasta aquí el video, gente, hasta aquí el video, gente, hasta aquí el video. Si gustó mi video, comparte con sus amigos, manden mi caja de comentarios y suscríbanse. Chao, gente, hasta luego, gente. Chao, gente, bye, gente. Chao, gente. Bye, bye, hasta luego.
Oye, la batería ruge. Estaba en el suelo tendido, con el aliento oprimido. El mundo me dio por perdido, un eco sin ser ni un gemido. Pero escuchen bien, la risa del tambor. Despertó el dios del sol, el gran libertador. Soy Nika, con el puño en alto acabo el sufrimiento. Joy Boy regresó, cambiando el clima y el viento.